From your feedback from emails and on social, we have noticed that one of your favorite things to do is decorate your mantle for Christmas. So I'm going to show you 3 different mantles that I've designed and decorated, each one a little bit different, and give you a few tips and tricks on how I decorate my mantle for Christmas. So on this mantle, I've picked projects that we've made with felt. We have these adorable little reindeer. This is one of my favorites. We've added this gorgeous garland. This is a brand new project from this year. And one of my tips is I use these removable hooks from 3M, and I can hang the Christmas stockings on them, hang the garland on them, and then after Christmas is over, they pop right off as if they were never there. And then we have these 2 beautiful felt wreaths, as well as this knit wreath where I've placed this felt JOY. And look at this, right in here is tucked our DIY crepe paper mistletoe. So lots of projects, all DIY. But to finish this mantle, I needed to add something else. So I'm telling you, greens are the way to go. Christmas greens, anything that you can cut from the yard or you can pick up at the grocery store. And I've added them into containers, and it totally completes the look and brings in that Christmas fragrance. I love this mantle because it's so simple and calming, and it has a few of our DIY projects that you might recognize. We have the white extra fine crepe paper poinsettia wreath, as well as a few of the double-sided crepe paper poinsettias that we pulled out of the bouquet. And then there's also this white crepe paper garland that we made. But one of my favorite things that I'm finding over the years is using these LED light candles, because if you have paper, you really don't want to have a candle burning, right? This makes a lot of sense. The other thing about this mantle that I love is that it's very asymmetrical and it's done with purpose. So a thoughtful asymmetrical. What makes this look so calming is the white with white layering and just a little bit of pale pink. It's so pretty. This mantle is based on my favorite, which is a Scandinavian style, and everything on here is made with the cutting machine. It's all paper cut, well, except for this beaded garland, of course. So again, I've used the hooks to hook the garland onto the fireplace, and I wanted to cover this up because I don't have any greenery to go over it. I felt like that was a little distracting right here, so I just added a bit of ribbon and some double-sided tape just to cover that, and it looks really cute. One of my favorite things on this mantle are these paper cut houses. And again, going back to the LED lights, they just have little tiny tea lights tucked in the back that flicker. Another one of my favorite lighting techniques for all year round, not just Christmas, are these tiny string lights. So I've just kind of put them through the back and behind where I've added these real greens. The pink poinsettias and then the wreath are 2 different projects that are combined together, and then our snowflake trees. So that combined with some greenery creates this gorgeous look. It's very warm and cozy, especially when the lights are down. For this mantle, not only did I use my favorite Scandinavian look, but I'm also really into pink for Christmas right now. So the pinks and the soft pale greens adding in a little bit of gray, I think adds this playfulness. So there you have 3 different styles of mantle decoration, and all of the projects and all 3 mantles are DIY, and you can find them at leahgriffith.com, where we have the patterns and the tutorials, and we teach you exactly how to make them. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below so that you can see all of our new videos, and remember that when you make your projects, use #MadeWithLeah so that we can see them and share them on our social channels as well. And to everyone out there, have a happy crafty holiday.